will be landing in Honolulu in just a few minutes. Flight attendants, please take your seats.
We'd like to spend just a few moments with you and share some information about our beautiful island. The island of Oahu is our third largest island in our Hawaiian chain. Over 80% of our state population reside here, which gives it the nickname the Gathering Place. Honolulu has been our capital since 1845, when it was moved here from Lahaina, Maui. One of the main reasons for this move is the natural harbor located here, Honolulu Harbor. On the right side of the aircraft, you'll have a beautiful view of our west coast of Oahu. The Waianae Range is the smaller of the two mountain ranges that make up the island, the larger of which is located on the island's northeast side and is named the Ko'olau Mountain Range. Some of our beautiful landmarks located here include Diamond Head, which is also known as Mount Leahi. It received its nickname from British sailors when they found worthless calcite crystals along its slopes and thought they had discovered diamonds. And in just a few moments, we'll be flying past what is known as Pu'uloa, also known as Pearl Harbor. Just off the island in the center of the harbor lies a white rectangular structure in the water. That is the USS Arizona Memorial, a monument built to honor the men and women who served their country on December 7, 1941, a day that will forever live in infamy. Another landmark located here is our iconic coastline of Waikiki Beach, which is the birthplace of surfing and was the playground to Hawaiian nobility. We do hope all of you enjoy your stay here with us in the island. We wish you a very pleasant and safe one, and to all of our kama'aina who are returning home, we warmly welcome you back. We should be landing at the airport in just a few moments. Mahalo. Aloha, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Honolulu International Airport on the island of Oahu. Local time is 11:47 a.m. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your continued comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-ons properly stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us, please check about your seat area and in the overhead compartments for any articles you may have brought on board with you. When opening the overhead compartments, please use caution as your items may have shifted during our flight. When exiting the aircraft, please watch your step as there is a slight floor level change. Continue to refrain from smoking until you're well within a designated smoking area.
What?
For passengers who have gate checked any items such as car seats or strollers, please allow our ground staff a few moments to make these items available to you. They'll be brought to the top of the jetway at the second door on your left, located between rows 13 and 14. For passengers needing wheelchair assistance, we ask that you please remain seated until the main flow of passengers has disembarked the aircraft. That way our porters may better assist you. Again, your wheelchairs will be made available for you shortly at the second door on your left. If you are continuing on to another neighbor island or international destination, please check the video monitors for your next gate assignment. If Honolulu is your final destination, your checked luggage will be available for you shortly on the ground level of the neighbor island terminal at Carousel B as in Bravo. Cell phones may be used at this time as long as they can be accessed from a seated position without releasing your seatbelts. On behalf of Hawaiian Airlines and your entire flight crew, it has been our pleasure serving you. We thank you for choosing Hawaiian Airlines, and until we can serve you again, we extend your warmest aloha, mahalo, and ahui ho until we meet again. We'd also like to send out a special happy birthday to Milana in seat 45E. She's 3 years old today. Happy birthday, Milana.
Did you check your mobile screen? What time? 12:30, you said? Yeah. No, we weren't submitted. She's 12:30, you said? Well, maybe she might. Did you eat? Sounds familiar with the 24. Yeah, let's see what time. We couldn't check if she didn't leave yet. And then we'll have service. Sounded like he was sleeping. Yeah. Sounded like he was sleeping. Let me know. The 24th. On her birthday.